Only 2% of journeys in the UK are made by bike, compared to 27% in Holland. Sustainable travel charity Sustrans is bringing the UK up to speed. Its Connect 2 scheme is extending the national cycling network into the heart of more than 80 towns and cities, making it easier for millions of people to walk and cycle for everyday journeys. A glorious spring morning in the city of Bath, and thousands gather for the opening of a new Connect 2 route. The event marks the reopening of 4 miles of the disused Somerset and Dorset railway line, including 2 former railway tunnels, as a walking and cycling path. The brainchild of a local volunteer group, the scheme was made possible by Sustrans, a nationwide charity that promotes low-carbon travel.
Welcome, this is the formal opening of the Bath Two Tunnels Greenway, and you're going to have a simply wonderful experience as you cycle through today.
As Chief Executive of Sustrans, Malcolm Shepherd is responsible for delivering the lottery-funded Connect 2 scheme to extend the national cycle network into towns and cities throughout the UK.
Cycling is particularly good for your health, of course. It also is very, very good for the environment. The real challenge we face nowadays is that the environment for cycling is not really suitable. For far too many years we have been ignoring cycling as a real alternative form of transport, and we've been left miles behind countries like Denmark, Holland.
Sustrans began in the 1970s as a local cycling pressure group. The charity helped create the National Cycle Network and oversaw its expansion from 5,000 miles in 2000 to over 14,000 miles today. Connect 2 started in 2007 as the winning bid for a £50 million lottery grant to improve local travel in 79 communities.
The Connect 2 scheme is trying to create real alternatives for travel inside communities by addressing physical barriers that actually stop people moving around their towns and cities on foot and on bike.
The scheme works with local authorities to make towns and cities friendlier for cyclists, with interventions ranging from street markings and lowered curbs to specially built bridges across roads, rivers and railways. The routes have been strategically located to connect towns and city centres to the national cycling network.
I think it's brilliant. We don't have to wait at traffic lights anymore. It's easy for kids to get about. It's easier access for people with disabilities and all.
The Bath Two Tunnels scheme is one of the biggest Connect 2 projects to date, with the reopened Combe Down Tunnel forming the longest underground cycling route in Europe.
1, 2, 3, go.
It's absolutely fantastic because it's going to have a flat route out of Bath. It's just going to be amazing.
Yeah, it's super. Be able to ride like this away from cars and out in the country, and especially through a tunnel like that. Super.
They've made a good job of it.
I expect there'll be a pub built at this end one day.
Well, we hope there'll be a pub built.
Business opportunity.
As well as providing a new destination for walks and bike rides, the route is designed to reduce the number of everyday car journeys in and out of Bath, a city cut off from its surrounding countryside by steep hills and valleys.
I'm applying for a job in Bristol at the moment, and if I get this job I'll be able to cycle all the way from my house to my job without going on a road, and that is just brilliant.
Lots of younger people are starting to cycle. I know a lot of my friends have started getting on their bikes to just go to small, local places because it's easier.
That's the future.
Yeah, we are the future cyclists.
We really need to make cycling and indeed walking is just the normal way that people move around their communities. It shouldn't be specialists, it shouldn't be for people dressed in lycra, it should be just the way we travel every day.